Hey, all you Highland Park folks out there, it is shipping time. Yesterday I just moved a big 53-footer of equipment out, so you guys have lots of stuff coming. I literally had rows of pallets filling that whole area over there, and then we've got 16s that are being packed up here. You can see a row of 16s there. There's more 16s there that I'm all consolidating. Some R1Ms that are going out, another saw over there. So we are shipping like crazy right now, getting your stuff out to you. And then there's 2 more containers that are on the water coming here.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. And down below in the description, you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that. And leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.